strana, ci sono persone...
Nächstes Mal hier bei EA5/BA2MPR. Hermann dir den Mikrofon. Und Grüße an alle, auch die zugehört haben. Tschüss.
Ja, ich bin noch ein bisschen im Stress heute. Und morgen wollte ich an mein AGR-Ventil gehen, da habe ich auch noch was zu tun. Oh ja, also...
Because we used a different QTH there last year, a boathouse, which hopefully they've got accommodation inside this year instead of being out in the wind, etc. So we did a bit of a sort of site survey yesterday and had a nice drink from the beach bar and came back and met up with the girls and had a meal last night, so that was quite good, enjoyed that. So one way or the other, I've been on the island every year for the last 4 years. I might not do any operating this year because we've got the family wedding, but it was good to get across there anyway. Right, pop it back to you. And it didn't make much difference actually when you popped the linear on. You're still S9. You were peaking S9 before and you didn't go up at all really with the linear on, so not sure there. G3PHO CT7/M0GAV.
Then the crystal filter of 50 megahertz is very cheap, but the properties of the filter concerning the shape of the filter, even if you have just a CW filter and you have a very small bandwidth, and the shape is so that you have then minus 60 dBs and 1 kilohertz with the cheaper filters of 50 megahertz, but the old crystal filters with 10 megahertz have minus 60 dBs suppression with 650 hertz bandwidth. That's the difference, and even the noise is less. That was one of the reasons because, well, I was even satisfied with the TS480, but so I think for CW it is a better solution to have this lower first IF here, and even that is the advantage of the very old transceivers. I had a IC740 before that was the same ICOM transceiver, very reliable and less noise. And sometimes here with the very modern ones, they are very cheap and very small and smart, but concerning the noise, they have not the quality than the very old ones. That is my opinion. So, Derek, yes. Well, concerning the antenna, so the vertical antenna here is compromised, and because I have some traps in it, so I can work it, I can run it with 15, 17, and 20 meters. But you had a QSO before with a Danish station, and the Danish operator had a 5-meter vertical antenna, just 5 meter, single band for 20 meters. That's much better. And so I have to think about other antennas here. My problem is that I'm just living in a row house, very narrow, and not so much room for other antennas. Beside of the vertical, I have a window antenna for 40 and 80, but so I have to span it already to the adjacent neighbor because of the less space here, Derek. Back to you, Golf 3, Papa Queen Delta from Delta Lima 9, Fox Charlie Romeo.
Llama a Yankee, Tor 5, Japón, Delta, Tango, e queda atento.
Está muito boa. Ok, de manhã teve aí o Ribeiro, também já vai chegar bem, e o Gomes Ferreira. Gomes Ferreira no princípio estava a falar com a antena dos 80 metros, que lá para o local para falar com o Ribeiro, que estavam os dois a falar. Era melhor com essa antena, mal escutava o Gomes Ferreira. Ok, mas agora, depois ele passou para a outra e pronto, temos aí o bom QSO, apareceu aí o HB9 Fox Delta, o V.
Secure Beam 920. India, Zanzibar 1, Tango, Uniform Golf. India, Zanzibar 1, Tango, Uniform Golf. Stand by.
Sugar, Papa 1, Golf Alpha.
Sugar, Papa 1, Papa Alpha, is that correct?
No, my call is Sugar, Papa number 1, Golf America, Roger?
Okay, Roger. Very good. The modulation that is, my friend. Sugar, Papa 1, Golf Alpha. Good morning. It's India Zanzibar 1 Tango Uniform Golf. Okay, my name is Pino. It's spelled Papa India November Oscar. My city Alessandria, North Italy. And country 84 kilometers north the city Genoa. Very good the audio. Come back to you. Kiga Papa Wall, Golf Alpha, over.
Thank you, Pino. Thank you for your call. Be nice to meet you. My name is Arek, Alpha Romeo, Echo Kilo. My location is 150 kilometers of Stettin, northwest of Poland. Report for you this moment is 59+10. I'm sorry. Very strong signal, beautiful, clear modulation, Pino. 59+10, my lock is 59+10 this moment. My working condition is ICOM 7300, original microphone, antenna, 7-element Yagi, 20 meters of the gun. Thank you, Pino, friends, good luck, and 73, bye-bye.
Okay, Roger. Alex, name personal day to you. Anton India Zebra 1 Tango United Germany. Thank you very much, the contact. Thank you very much, the more report in Poland. Kan mij kappen is ICOM India Charlie 78000. Microphone ICOM Sigur Moil 30. Kan mij antenne free element jagi in verband this moment. And there is a negative in Poland. There is in England. Okay, thank you very much. 73. Bye-bye, dall'Italia. Bye.
Thank you, Pino. Good luck and 73. This is Sugar Papa 1 Golf Alpha. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, 73. Many dias to you.
Zo 5 members. Dat is weer open, wat je zegt. Say what?
FCR. Yes, Derek. Indeed. So concerning the filters, the filter element is 1 point, and the very high first intermediate frequency of the modern transceivers is compromised. The filter is cheaper, but the other disadvantage is that you need for the mixer a very high oscillator frequency, and the oscillator frequency is done by direct digital synthesizer or something like that, or the PLL, phase lock loop, and but those have a little bit more noise mostly than the very old transceivers, because the old ones had a first oscillator frequency which was much lower. Well, so that is just an interpretation, and so everybody has its own experiences, and but I think concerning CW, it is better to have the lower first intermediate frequency and very narrow CW filter. Well, concerning the antennas, so yes, we are swimming in the same sea, or sitting in the same boat, Derek. So my garden is in Franceses is just like a dining room, concerning the size. So no way for a tower and something like that. I would disturb too much neighbors. And so I have to live with the vertical antenna. And the only reason for the vertical antenna is because I could set it on the top of my house, and it has a very small angle for DX, and that was the reason. And you are right, the dipole antennas have a steeper angle, and so for QSOs here in Europe, it is much better than the vertical ones. That's for sure. And even I see with my window on 40 meters that QSOs to England is much better, because the propagation angle is steeper than the vertical antenna. Yeah. But no way, I have to live with it, and concerning the magnetic loops, yes, I bought some loops, and the advantage is, first of all, I can tune the magnetic loop antenna, so I have all the time an SWR from 1 to 1 on all bands, and the range, the frequency range is mostly 1 to 2. So if I bought one antenna for the 40-meter band, so I can use it for 40 meters, 30 meters, and 20 meters. And the other one I bought for, that is a frequency variation of 1 to 2. And another one with a diameter of 1.2 meters. I bought for 20 meters up to 10 meters. And so you have a very good SWR, and that's the advantage. You don't need antenna tuner. And the other advantage is that it is a high Q antenna, so the width of the antenna is just, yes, I measured sometimes 30 kilohertz. 30 kilohertz is very less for an antenna, and even that gives you good results and good suppression of neighbored stations and even low noise. But the disadvantage of the antenna is, well, you have, first disadvantage is you have high voltages. So even with 100 watts, I have so around about 5,000 volts on the capacitor, and so therefore it is difficult to build them for a higher power, because then the capacitor should be able to work with 10,000 volts and so. And the other disadvantage is that the antenna is not so good, not really comparable with a dipole. So the antenna gain is a little bit less than a dipole. So you have maybe 1.5 decibels since instead of 2.1 decibels. But the other advantage is, so you can turn the antenna and you can have a horizontal way or a vertical way. And concerning the inverted V, I think, Derek, that is pretty nice, because you have a part which is horizontal and a part which is vertical. So whatever QSO you have, so if your partner has a vertical antenna or horizontal antenna, so you can work them, and it is less problem than if than I have here with the vertical one and combined with a horizontal antenna. Okay, Derek, I'll let you go. So it is pretty nice. My pleasure here. This chat this morning, this nice QSO, but it took now more than half an hour, and I don't want to steal your time, Derek. George 3, Papa Queen Delta from Delta Lima 9 from Bristol Channel Radio.